Hello everyone, how are you all? I meet a lot of parents who keep telling me, Karthik, please advise my kids because I do programs in the top universities across India and the world. So, on leadership basically. And having authored a lot of books, especially on the kids and on leadership, they consider me an authority to advise their children. And guess what? They end up getting shocked because I just tell them to stop their worries because you parents, worry a lot about your kids. You don't have to worry so much. At the end of the day, it's very, very important to allow your child to experience life in its fullest sense. Create an atmosphere where your child is not growing out of jealousy, out of comparison, out of compulsive competitive disorders, and allow the child to feel wonderful being in the planet. Because if there are young children and there are school children and there are engineering kids who are committing suicide, that just conveys the kind of society we are creating. Even if it is happening for one, now it's happening for millions. Now just imagine. So please understand this. Do not be worried about your child's future. Create an atmosphere and your child will blossom. Have a wonderful time. Stay blessed, stay energized, subscribe, and share the positive vibe with all the other parents.